In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default web browser from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome on a Windows 11 computer as of 2025. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First things first, you'll want to access the Start menu. You can either click on the Start icon in your taskbar or hit the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, type Default Apps into the search bar. This is a quick way to access your system's app settings, which is where we'll be making the changes. After you've typed Default Apps, take a look at the search results and select the Default Apps option. You'll be brought to a menu where you can change all kinds of default programs, from your default email client to your default photo viewer. But today, we're focusing on your web browser. Once you're in the Default Apps menu, scrolling down is your next move. You're looking for Google Chrome in the list of applications. It may be nestled among many other apps, depending on how many programs you have installed on your machine. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on Google Chrome. With Google Chrome selected, look towards the top of the window for a button labeled Set Default. Clicking this button will instantly make Chrome your default web browser. If this button is available, it's the quickest way to set Chrome as your default. But sometimes you may find this option isn't readily visible. If the Set Default button is not visible, don't worry. You can manually adjust each internet-related file type. You'll see a list of extensions and protocols like .htm, .html, HTTP, and HTTPS. For each of these, click on the default app currently associated and change it to Google Chrome. This tells Windows to use Chrome whenever you open a file or link of that particular type. Once you've set Google Chrome for each of these file types and protocols, you've successfully altered the defaults for internet browsing on your system. Now go ahead and close the settings window to lock in your new default. That's pretty much it. Your system is now configured to open Google Chrome as the default browser whenever you click on a web link or open an internet file. Changing your default browser to Google Chrome is a straightforward process, and we've just accomplished it together seamlessly. Whether it's for the enhanced features, faster performance, or simply personal preference, using Google Chrome can make your web experience more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.